everyone, my name is Durva Darshan Bandekar. I am 17 years old. My school name is Lakshmi Narayan Vidyalay Bibavne, Taluka Kuda, District Sindhudurga, from Maharashtra. I studied in Standard 10. Today's my subject of speech is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's vision behind 2020. Vision 2020, the document that explains the economic and capability of India and the ways to achieve the goals of becoming an economic superpower. This was written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. His economical vision was incapable, which has shown way to aim for newer heights to the respect to economical growth. I have identified 5 areas where India has a core confidence for the integrated action: agriculture and food processing, education and healthcare, information and communication technology, infrastructure and reliable quality electrical power, service transport and infrastructure for all parts of the country, and self-reliance is physical technology. These 5 areas are closely related and is advanced to be coordinated will lead to food economical national security. This line by the great one Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam explained this vision towards by the economic development of the country. Dr. Kalam always believed the wish transform the nation of the development country. These 5 areas in combination identify ways of India core confidence, natural resources and talented manpower. For integrated action, will develop the growth tree for GDP and realize the vision of the developed India. In his book India 2020, Dr. Kalam has located this action plan to develop India into a knowledge economic superpower by 2020. Dr. Kalam economic vision in incapable villages lectures, books convey this message strongly. In fact, year 2020 has become extremely significant in a life of Indian as year achieve those economical targets. Vision of Azad. It was Dr. Kalam who through his work, speech and lecture in Fuse India Vision 2020 into the brain and hearts of a young citizen. Dr. Trustabling the present production of the agriculture and food processing, which is the backbone of the India economic. Emphasis of the development and the infrastructure with reliable electrical power providing urban amenities to rural area Pura and infusing solar Pura operation. Pura is the strategy for the rural development in India and its profile that urban infrastructure and services be provided in a rural hubs. To create economical opportunity this out of cities, Dr. Kalam always said to that education and development are to the major sector that lead to overall development. He believed that enhanced literacy rate, providing center health facilities and social security will encourage people to actively participate in a development process of the country. Information, communication technology and other apartment space Dr. Kalam trusts be against change in commit. Economic development process is always that encourage e-governor, e-promote education and remote area television and telemode. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam also trusts on the growth of the critical technology and the strategy industries that nuclear technology, space technology and different technology. Indeed, these are the areas which the connect Narendra Modi governor is determined to focus upon and development technologies that everyone believes is India will be economic superpower, which was the dress of the Dr. Abdul Kalam, the missile man and 11th President of India. Thank you.